Ask Dr. V page questions. Looks like it's our last one of that. This one comes from Cheryl. Can regular usage of Waterpik cure my gum disease?
Great question. So can Waterpik cure the gum disease? This is something that we regularly recommend in our office to most of our patients use a Waterpik, particularly somebody with gum disease. So Waterpik, for some of them who may not know what a Waterpik is, you got your regular toothbrush or you have your electric toothbrush, something like a Sonicare or an Oral-B. Then you have your regular flossing or flossing in a handle or like an air floss or something similar. But in addition, you also have something called a Waterpik. So if you Google Waterpik, and you may be able to see a picture of it. So the Waterpik really helps with people who have gum disease. And the Waterpik comes with multiple tips, for example, like tip in the sense like the tips that fit on the particular handle. So particularly the patient that we have in our office as periodontists, we see a lot of patients with gum disease. So when we see these patients with gum disease, they have deep pockets underneath the gum line. So the regular brushing or the flossing, if imagine this is the tooth and you have a deep pocket underneath the gum line here, you may not be able to reach underneath the gum line just with the regular toothbrushing or a regular flossing. So now you need to use this, reach this pocket under. So if you have a Waterpik like this, imagine a water jet coming out. If you were to just use this jet into that pocket right here. So you're going to use the jet, which is exactly a water jet, which is a Waterpik. Depending on the size and the depth of the pocket that you have, you're going to use a tip that's just going to fit into that pocket. Now you're going to use it as a jet to inject into this pocket. Now imagine injecting water here, and if you have a bunch of stuff sitting in here, it's just going to absolutely come out. Same thing using a water jet. The Waterpik, the water jet from the Waterpik, use that, and you're going to keep your pocket clean, thereby getting your gum disease under control. So the simple answer to this person right here, can regular Waterpik cure your gum disease? It's not going to be able to cure your gum disease, but it is going to absolutely get your gum disease under control. And pretty much once you have your gum disease under control, once you're in remission, as long as it's not getting any worse, then possibly you almost got a cure to your gum disease. So absolutely go for it. Waterpik, yeah.
It seems like a good option for people even without gum disease too.
Absolutely, yes, sir. Yes, sir. And I always tell my patients, hey, can I use a Waterpik? And I tell them, hey, as long as you use your regular toothbrushing and your flossing, go for it. Using Waterpik, using tooth flosses, air flosses, anything that you can do on the top of the brushing and flossing, it is absolutely going to help you. Yeah. The more time you spend on the bathroom, just in brushing and flossing, not doing like other goofy stuff. So make sure you're going to spend enough time in the bathroom in front of the mirror, just looking at your teeth, brushing, flossing, or any other thing that you can do to help your teeth. The longer you're going to spend, the more time you're going to spend, the longer you're going to keep your teeth.
Yeah, your teeth.